Let's learn how to take a screenshot. Now I will tell you two methods to get a screenshot. Let's learn first method. Swipe down your notification bar. In here you can click on this screenshot option. After our screenshot is capturing like this. Second method is you can press your mobile volume down key and power key on same time. After you can capture a screenshot like this.